Okay, guys, welcome back to Safka channel. Thanks for watching one more time. Hey, today we're just gonna do a series of tests to verify if the windshield is good protection or not, if it's worth it or not in a cruiser like this one. I have a Kawasaki Vulcan S. So I just have a camera here at my helmet and a camera there pointed at me. And we'll do a couple of tests, one with the windshield, without the windshield, and one with the windshield. As you can see, I have removed the windshield. So we'll go around the city, then we'll go in the highway and see if that makes a difference or not to have the windshield. Probably it does make a difference, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so let's go for it, huh? Okay, dear friends, so here we are, ready to go. We'll go around the city. Okay, the first thing I notice is that with the visor up, I get more wind in my eyes. Without the windshield, that's for sure. That's the first thing I noticed. I have not even ridden quickly. Well, let's go. Even though I have sunglasses, as you can see my sunglasses, I get much more wind in my face. Not too much, but I can hear the noise, the wind noise in my face. And my eyes are crying. First impression, the first meters, is that you get much more wind in your face. The wind starts screaming inside your helmet. And even though I have sunglasses or any type of glasses, your eyes will cry because of the wind. Okay? Thank God for the glasses. But I will test now with the visor down, see how it goes, okay? Visor down. There you go. With the visor down, the wind is not that bad in your face. I don't feel any strength in my face yet, but I can notice some wind in my chest. Whoa, yes sir. Now I can feel the air pounding on my shoulders and in my chest, okay? And I'm around 80 kilometers an hour, so... Whoa. It's a little windy outside. I can see that in the trees, but not too much. But once you get the speed of 80, I mean, come on, between 70 and 80, that wind starts pounding in your chest and in your shoulders big time. Anyway, with the visor down, it's not such a big deal. It feels okay. Low speed is not bad. You get a lot of wind in your face, that's for sure. And around 80 kilometers an hour, you will get that air or that wind hitting your chest and mainly your shoulders big time. So 80 kilometers an hour, I can feel the wind fighting me. I'm a big guy. I have kind of broad shoulders and, big chest, so, hey, I place a lot of resistance to the wind. I'm a high resistant man. And now I can feel the wind blowing, trying to push me away from the motorcycle to push me out. Anyway, and that's not really going fast. City riding is not that bad without the windshield. It starts to get annoying when you get to the 70 kilometers an hour mark. You start feeling that, as I said, that wind in your chest, in your shoulders, trying to push you away from the motorcycle. So it can be a little annoying. We're gonna do the test now. We're gonna get into the highway. Okay, we're 100 kilometers an hour now. I can feel it. Oh. Okay, 100. Whoa. My goodness. The strength is badass. Wow, let's go. 115. Whoa. Oh, Jesus. Thank God there's a lot of traffic, but 115, that is strength, that wind strength, was badass, man. You will feel that wind pounded big time in your chest and shoulders. I'm 100, I can feel it now. Here, let me peek out. Wow, man, my head really hurts. It doesn't hurt, but you have to concentrate. You have to make a lot of strength in your head to keep it straight, man. Oh, wow, it keeps your head backwards. Wow. Oh, man. Ow. When you get a gust of wind, it will kick you, man. Pound, pound, pound. Wow. It's gonna be dangerous. Because you don't have so much control of your bike. I can say that highway driving with this baby without the windshield is a piece of crap. Man, that was uncomfortable. That was hard. I mean, you can deal with it for a while, but not too long. Hey, you have a long trip? I don't know, you're gonna go for a ride? Typical weekend ride? Man, I can see that you can end up really tired. And end up with your neck hurting, being sore, being uncomfortable, and not enjoying your ride. That sucks, huh? Okay, guys. Last test. We're in a twisty. Let's have fun in the twisty. Wow. But if you get 100 kilometers an hour, man, it's annoying. Between 70 and 100 is not bad, boys. Between 70 and 90 kilometers an hour is bearable. You can barely win, but at 100, above that is very annoying. Yeah, now I'm 100 again. Feeling that air in my shoulders. It's not as fast in the highway because, as you can see, the road, one trees all around, and that protects you a little bit. But still, it's annoying, right? Especially here, in this side of the shoulders, this side of the body. It's really annoying, you know, gets all the wind in here, bam, bam. And you keep that tense, and the thing is, if you keep that tense, you keep your arms tense. And if you keep your arms tense, you are not able to ride your bike properly. You feel insecure, especially when you do arm steering at the curves. Raise the bicep up. And wow, man, I can feel that dust. There's some dust in the air. It will get in your face big time. Without a windshield. I don't recommend going up twisting without a windshield. And your bicep up. Man, those bumps will get in your face, your eyes big time. It might even hurt you. Whoa, and then you keep, wow, man. I can feel that air in my head, in my shoulder. There you go. Wow. You cannot move your head. If you want to the left, wow. If you go to the right, wow, man, it's hard to bring it backward, forward. Okay, it's hard to concentrate, man. 120, you have to keep your body really, really still. You cannot move anything. 100. Well, if you have your body up like I'm having right now, probably you cannot do it. That way is really easy pushing, making a lot of noise inside my helmet. And I'm gonna have the glasses, otherwise then my eyes will decline big time, will be wandering big time. That was fun. Oh, fun? I wouldn't say fun. It was interesting. Interesting because I learned the usefulness of a windshield, especially on a roadster, on a cruiser custom bike like this one. Why do you buy a custom one? A custom motorcycle? To enjoy the riding, right? So what's the purpose of not enjoying it? You go riding on a Saturday, on a Sunday, ride with your friends, with your colleagues, with a cycle club you belong to, and then the windshield will protect you from, from the bugs, from the air, from the dust getting in your head. If you need to go fast a little bit, it will move the air away from your body to the side. It won't bother you, it won't bother your chest, it won't bother your shoulders. And mainly, it will not push your head backwards, especially if you find gust of wind. That's the most annoying thing that I noticed, that if you go 100, 120 kilometers an hour, you turn your head to say hi to somebody, or because you see a nice scenery, or because you want to say hello to the driver beside you, I don't know. Man, you cannot turn it back to the normal position. It will hit you big time. So that was really annoying. You end up with your column and your neck being sore. I can feel that. I didn't know the importance of the windshield. My goodness. So get one. Get the one that the one I got actually pushes the wind upwards, so it doesn't hit my helmet. It doesn't hit my on the side. It, pushes the wind on the side towards the sides, so it doesn't hit my shoulders. Right? You get some air, of course. You're gonna get some air. It's not perfect, but it removes around, I would say, 80% of the wind in your body, right? It will cost you between $50, $100, $50 or $200. A good one. Fun ride, fun test. You showed me a lot of things. So here we're home, and we're gonna leave the bike at home. Okay. Okay, guys. See you later.